Here's a demo on automatic plant watering system.
So currently the moisture of the soil is around 20%, and as soon as we turn on the system via this app, it will start watering the plants. Let's see the demo. So the motor will turn on, and as you can see, the water is the moisture of the soil has also increased. So as soon as we plug out this moisturizer sensor, as you can see, the moisture of the soil has been come down to 0. As soon as I turn on this, it will start watering. This is how it works.
Before starting this video, in case if you are not subscribed my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now you can also follow and contact me via Instagram and Facebook. The link will be given in the description.
So the components which we need are a 4-channel relay and a soil sensor with a nodemcu and a pump with jumper wire. So let's get started with the connection. So here I'm going to connect the VCC to the V-in of nodemcu. Now we will connect the ground pin of relay to the ground of nodemcu. So once you are done with this, now take one more jumper wire. Now connect IN1 pin to the D7 pin of nodemcu. Now we will take the soil sensors. We'll connect this pin. So after this, we need to give a supply to this. So here I'm going to connect the VCC pin to the 3.3 volts of nodemcu. So here this is the last pin which we are going to connect. So after this, we'll take one more female to female jumper wire and connect for the ground. So we'll connect the second pin to the ground. Now we need to connect the analog pin where we are going to take the analog values from the sensor, and then we will connect it to nodemcu. So I'm connecting A0 pin to the analog input of nodemcu. So it's the first pin over here. We're just going to connect this. So we are done with the connections of nodemcu to the soil sensor COM port. So I'll just open this up and connect it. Now this we will connect to the supply of 3.3 volts. So once you are done with this, next we come to the the pump. Now what we're gonna do is we will give a positive terminal supply to the commonly open port of relay. So we'll just open this up to the pump. Now I'm going to connect the positive terminal of the pump to the commonly open port of relay. After this, we will just take one more connector to connect it to the ground. Now I'm going to connect this jumper wire, which is male to female, to the ground. So I'm connecting this to see how we'll upload the code. So we have connected the nodemcu to the laptop and we are going to upload the code. So I have connected my hotspot now. As you can see, the connected device is ESP. So after this, we will go to the Blynk app. A project. So as soon as we turn on the button on, you can see the motor starts running. So as soon as we leave the off, it will start. So in this way you can actually. So I have placed my soil sensor over here to check the moisture of the soil. As you can see, the moisture of the soil, it shows in our app. So basically it shows the moisture of the soil at how much percentage it is. The two things which you can do is, one is turn on and off the motor, and the other thing, it determines the moisture of the soil in the percentage. As you can see, it's showing 51% of moisture.